guys, welcome back to the Shade Tree Hoonigans channel. Check it out, man. So a lot of shit went down Saturday night, as you guys can see in the video that I posted the other night. A $500 grudge race happened. It was set up between a street car, aka a 1998 blower nitrous Corvette, versus a nitrous-powered Mustang drag car. Both of the drivers agreed on a heads-up race, water burnout only, and the winner would take all. Flashlight drop. So I'm gonna put up the video, and you'll see what happens. Video, it's a very close race. The guy in the Mustang had to pedal it before he went across the center line. You can also hear in the next video, the next clip that I'm going to put in, that the Mustang had to pedal it to save it from crossing the line. The guy did a very good job from doing that. I give him credit for what he did, even though he lost the race. You know, that's just racing, you know, it happens. So with that being said, when the race was over, you know, it's really hard to say what really caused the fight, you know, but from my understanding, you know, it just got a little heated and tempers started to flare, man. And from what I could understand is someone said the track car, or drag car that I would call it, got gapped by a street car. And after that, man, a bunch more shit was said. You know, a guy from my understanding said that they should rerun the race, and, you know, that they should rerun it out on the street for like $2 grand. You know, that's from what I heard. I don't know if that's true or not, but you know, obviously those guys with that drag car really aren't going to try and run that car on the streets. I mean, it's not built for it. It'd be very dangerous. I personally wouldn't do it if it was mine. But, you know, after that, somebody apparently put their finger in somebody's face. I can't really tell myself in the video, but the video itself explains it, you know. After everything went down, you know, no police showed up. Everybody settled down, you know, but the track officials, all wearing civilian clothes, you know, they are all wearing a shirt just like I'm wearing. It's kind of hard to tell who they are at the track. You know, they obviously need to work on that. But, you know, with the track officials that were there and the amount of people that come down there, it was kind of hard for those guys to really do anything. So for the people that have been saying anything about it, there was track officials there trying to break up the fight as best as they could. But, you know, I'll let you see it from there. The video shows all the evidence, and, you know, after everything was said and done, you know, nothing else happened. They both parted their way. The guy in the Corvette who won got his money. You know, the driver walked up to him peacefully and handed him the money. It wasn't the drivers of either one of the vehicles that were in the fight, so I'll just let that be known. Other than that, I don't know any of the guys' names. I just happened to catch it on video, and I'll let it explain itself. I also wanted to add this piece in the end of this video that one of the track owners decided to put in. He posted this on Facebook, and this is just quoting him in case you're unable to read the picture that I put up. But it says, "I just want to start off saying please do not tag, message me asking what happened, or send me videos of what happened at my drag strip this past weekend. I was not there when this happened, nor do I care about this kind of stuff. I want to apologize to the families who had their kids there and to the people who've seen this go down. When I took over this drag strip, my plans for it is to not have fights there, but for a safe place for families and friends to come out, enjoy a great show, and enjoy what I love to do as well, which is race and watch cars go at it. I am not picking anyone's side, and I am not sure all of it was a big misunderstanding, and I know when people get amped up, we intend to do things because we are not thinking, and we are all humans and do dumb and crazy stuff. I truly hope and pray that nothing like this ever happens again, and the people that was involved in this can come back, shake hands, and just let the cars do the talking next time. I like everyone, and I do not dislike not one person, but everyone. Please remember, this is a family environment, and this is my business, and that's what I want to keep growing and keep giving a place to come have fun, make memories, and race. I also want to say it is really sad that people like to post and share stuff when people are getting hurt, and how some people talk about it and make rumors that wasn't even there themselves. But I'm not going to get into a fussing battle here. Once again, I want to apologize for the families and people involved that this had ever happened over the weekend, and I promise I am doing all that I can to make sure it never happens again, and the people do not hold this against us. Thanks, Joshua Ottinger. He's one of the track officials.